ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतः नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनं श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। Sai Ram. Today we are going to learn the 10th Anuvakam of Namakam. Alright, so let's get started. Om Ndrape Andhasaspate Daridranneelalohita ईशां पुरुषाणां येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चना ममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथा नः शमशद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छं च योश्चमनरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितं मानो वधीः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्रऋषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रिरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वदीर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरार्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षाचनो अधिच देव ब्रूह्यदाचनः शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः ष्टुहि श्रुतं ग्रत्स सदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडयां मीढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवां परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहीं विकिरित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोन्यमस्मन्निपपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोत्सवहेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृतिम् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So now we can understand the meaning of it. Ndrape andhasaspate daridranneelalohitam. Drape andhasaspate. Andhasaspate means the bestower of all foods. So, O Lord Rudra, who is the bestower of all foods, and who is Neelalohita, who is actually has a blue neck, and Lohita means red elsewhere. That means the body and with a blue throat. Drape means that people, those who lead a contemptible or a very shameful life, the sinners, those who lead a shameful life. So you are the one who actually bestows the food to the entire universe, and you make the sinners lead a shameful life. Drape andhasaspate daridran, and you choose to remain poor among the riches, because it is usually said that the poverty or the materialistic poverty that we actually see in the world, that generally keeps us close to the higher spirit or to the God himself. People, those who actually follow Lord Rudra or he himself, he choose to remain poor among the riches. Drape andasaspate daridran neelalohita. Esham Purushanam, Esham Pashunam. So, Esham means do not frighten us, or Purushanam. So, do not frighten us or our people. Pashunam, Isham Purushanam, Isham Pashunam, nor do frighten our cattle. Pashunam, Mabher, Mabher Maromo, nor any of our relationships, Mabher, Maromo, or our cattle, our relations' cattle, and or mo Amamat means, or let them not even get sick or ill, right? Please keep us all healthy. That is the request is being made to Lord Rudra. Kinchana Amamat Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Vishwaha Bheshaji. So, O Lord Rudra, you are, we invoke the auspiciousness, Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji, and you can bestow upon us the Bheshaji means healing. You can heal us, and with your gracious and auspicious looks, even with your gracious presence as well, please actually heal us, Bheshaji, for all the days, Vishwaha, so for entire universe, and also for all the days, all the times. So, Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Vishwaha Bheshaji. Okay. Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji Tayano Mrida Jivase. Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji. So, as O Rudra, with an auspicious and healing form of yours, grant us the bliss. Mrida means the bliss. So, not just the physical health, right, and mental health. Please do also grant us the bliss. Mrida. Mrida means bliss. And how do you grant us? By removing any disease, or you can actually, if the mind is not getting concentrated, or if the body is ill, then obviously you cannot actually focus, right, and focus on God or anything like that. So, not just grant us the health of the body or cure us, but also cure our mind, so that we can focus on you, and thereby, thereby actually we experiencing the bliss. Okay. Vishwaha Bheshaji. Sorry. Yeah. Mrida. Jivase, for the entire life. Jivase means for entire life. Imagum Rudraya Tavaseka Pardine Kshayadviraya Prabaramahe Matim. So, O Lord Rudra, you are strong. Tavase. Tavase means you are very strong. And Kapardine, with a matted hair. Okay, Kapardine means with matted hair. Kshayadviraya. And destroy our enemies, those who are on an unrighteous path. Okay, because the assumption here is that the one who is praying is on the righteous path, because if he or she is not on the righteous path, none of these is applicable. None of these prayers are actually applicable. Everything is dependent on top of you being dharmic, or you following the path of dharma or righteousness. So that is the thumb rule before we actually take anything into consideration. All right. Kshayadviraya Prabaramahe Matim. So nourish our intellect. Prabaramahe Matim. Matim means intellect. Prabaramahe. So you nourish our intellect to be straight, to be in the right path. Matim. With the worship and meditation on you, as we spoke before, right? Yatha nashamashadvipade chatushpade vishwam pushtam grame asminnanaturam. So, let your grace be on the sham means happiness. Okay, let your grace and this grace of yours lead us to happiness, and not just to the human beings but also to the dvipade. Dvipade means human beings, and chatushpade means um, Chatushpade means the four-legged ones. Okay, not just us, not just as human beings, but also the four-legged ones. All right. Um, Chatushpade Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asminnanaturam Mridano Rud Mridano Rudrota Nomayaskridhe Kshayadviraya Namasa Vidhemate. So, Namasa Vidhemate, we prostrate before you. Pushtam, so give us enough nourishment, and Mridano, so give us the happiness, the bliss, and O Lord Rudra, destroy our sins, Kshayadviraya. And why should you destroy our sins? Because Namasa Vidhemate, we are prostrating in front of you. We are actually doing a namaskar to you. All right. Yacham chayoscha manura yeje pita tadashyama tavarudra pranito. Tavarudra pranito. Pranito means we are doing a sashtanga namaskar, like. So Tavarudra. So we are doing a sashtanga namaskar. That means we are doing a prostration in front of you. And we seek your blessings. Tavarudra, Tava Pranito. We need your blessings. Tava Pranito, your blessings. Okay. And how? Why? Because we are prostrating in front of you, right? And Ashyama. Let us obtain. Ashyama means obtaining, and Yacham means the happiness, and Yoscha from the Yoscha means sorrow. So generally thinking and more intense thinking comes when you are sorrowful and things. So also please rid us from the sorrows. Yoscha. Yoscha Pita, not just us, our fathers, forefathers, ancestors, everybody, and sought for the obtained, and because we actually are prostrating in front of you, please provide us, or please actually bestow upon us the happiness, not just to us but to the ancestors and the forefathers of us. All right. Mano mahanta mutamano arbhakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam. So do not, ma means do not, afflict whom? Mahantam. Do not afflict our elders. Not just your elders in particular, but any of the gurus or people, those who actually, here elders means, Mahanta means elders, but Mahantam also means that elders who have enough knowledge, or who has attained a lot in the world of spirituality, or in the path of spirituality, so that if they are not there around, then there is nobody to guide you, right? So we request to actually keep them healthy as well. So, and do not afflict them, so save them. Mahantam and Arbhakam, and tender babies. Why? Because they are the next generation, tender babies. Arbhakam, Ukshantam, and the people, the youth who are able, who has the ability to procreate. So please save them as well, because only by them will the next generation would come into, and next healthy generation and happy generation would come into being, right? And Ukshantam means the youth who are capable of procreation, and Ukshitam means the child who is in the womb of the mother. Okay, protect them as well. Mano vadif pitaram mota mataram priyamanas tanuvo rudrarishaham. And ma means do not afflict. Vadif means do not afflict. Our pitaram. Pitaram means our fathers and mothers. Mataram. So here, why is it plural? Is because we are not just asking for your father or your mother, but we as a society or as the entire humanity, you are asking for protection of all the fathers and mothers, because they are the only guiding factor for the children. Pitaram mota mataram priyamanastanuvo rudrarishaha. So protect the bodies of the dear, priyamanastanuvo. So all the people, those who are dear to us, also please protect them. Rudrarishaha. Manastoke tanaye mana ayushimano goshumano ashveshu ririshaha. So ma again, mano means do not afflict the manastoke, the children, and protect them. Do not afflict and please protect them. Manastoke tanaye, and their descendants, ayushi, and our life, ayushi, and give them the enough life, enough breath, so that they live longer. Ayushi, give them enough life. And goshu, goshu means and also protect our cows, and ashveshu, and horses. Ririshaha. Viran mano rudrabhamito vadirhavishmanto namasa vidhemate. So Viran Bhama, be angered. So, O Lord Rudra, being angered at our lapses. So, everyone is subject to do some mistakes, right? So, do not be angered at our mistakes, but put us on the right path. So, Bhamito, Bhamito means do not get angered or being angered at our lapses, Viran, and at our warriors. Namasa, because why? We shall serve you, and we actually completely do Sharanagati, or we actually submit ourselves to you. So, and that's why that is the meaning of Namaskar. Actually, when we do a Namaskar, we actually say that we are yours, and you can actually bless us because we are bowing in front of you. Namasa vidhemate. Havishmanto. Havishmanto means we give our bad qualities as a havish, as into the yajna. Havishmanto means into the yajna, havish. And we give them as the offerings into the sacred fire. Okay. Namasa vidhemate. Ararte gogna utapurushagне kshayadvira. Ararte gogna utapurushagне kshayadviraya sum namasmete astu. So, ararte. Ararte means, far away. Be far away. And kshayadvira. And do not again, may your terrible form, annihilate our enemies, those who are on unrighteous path. So, kshayadviraya, who are actually far away, and from our, and let them be far, let them remain far away from our cattle, gogna, uta purushagne, and our people, So let them remain away from us. Astu, and may this happen. That form of yours which confers the sum namasme. Sum namasme means which actually confers us the happiness, be in front of us or be near us. The form which actually bestows that happiness, be in front of us. Sum namasme means the happiness, and the form of yours is requested to be in front of us always, so that we are on the right path. Rakshachano adhichadeva bruhyadachana sharmayachat vibaraha. Rakshachano. Raksha means to protect, and bruhyada, and bless us. Sharma, and again happiness, and dvi means two means two words. So here what we are trying to say is protect us not here in this world and give us happiness not just here but in the other world also. That means when we die and when we come to you, please bless us with happiness, right? Mm, Sharma, that is the meaning of dvi. Dvi means two. Stuhi shrutam gratsasadai yuvanam mriganna bhimam upahatnumugram. Stuhi, praise. Stuhi means praise the shrutam, those who are very famous. Shrutam and gratsasadam. Stuhi shrutam gratsasadai. Okay. So gratsasadai means that who is seated in the hollow of the heart. Okay, where is a small place in the heart where the God Himself is actually seated. So please, we actually we are actually praising Him, who is seated in our heart, and who is ever youthful, who is Yuvanam, who is ever youthful, and who is terrible like a lion. Okay, Mriganna Bhimam Upahatnam Ugram, and Ugram means fierce, who is actually fierce as Mriganna, or a lion, and Upahatnam, and who destroys the bad, all the animal qualities. That's what we are trying to say. So we actually praise the one who can actually destroy such bad qualities and who is equivalent to the lion in the jungle, right? Looking at which all the wild animals, all the other animals run away, right? Ugram. Mridajaritre rudrastavano anyante asmannivapantu senaham. So, O Lord Rudra, we are in these bodies that decay, jaritre. That is, jaritre means one which is subject to decay. And every day, stavano means praised by us. Now we are praising you. Please provide us mrida, happiness. Sena, may your armies strike. Nivapantu means strike at others who are anyante, who are on the unrighteous path, and let that weapon of yours also protect us. Raksha, Rudrasya Hetir, spare us, Parivranaktu. So, please also spare us. Spare us means Parivranaktu. Avasthiramadvyashtanushvamidvashtokayatanayaya mridayam. Durmatir. So may your blazing anger. Okay, Durmatir means your blazing anger at our sins and resultant keenness to punish us. So may your anger actually be at the sins that we do rather than at us directly, because the whole idea is that you should stop doing unrighteous things. It is not the goal to annihilate you or to kill you. Only when something goes beyond the realm of understanding, that means like Ravana, he was explained so many times that what he is doing, the abduction of Mother Sita, is wrong, but he never agreed to it. If you go to that extent to do the unrighteous thing, then of course your body has to be removed by the God. But if we are doing some sins unknowingly, then just remove those sins and make us, make our minds stable so that we don't repeat it again, rather than just removing our being itself. Avasthira magavadhyashtanushva midvastoka yatanayaya mridayam. So punish us And O Rudra, please withdraw. Tanushva means please withdraw the intentions. Sthira, so sthira means your intention to punish us, and because we have offered our sacrifices, we are trying to um, you know set aside our six bad qualities: kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. We are trying to set them aside and giving the sacred fire of Havishmanto in the Havish, in the Yajna. So please protect us and do not afflict us. We have offered to you through the sacrifices, that is Maghavadbhyas and prayers. Okay. Midvas Tokaya Tanayaya Mridaya. And Tokaya means our sons. They put them on the right path as well. And the bestower of the blessings. So Midvas means you are the bestower of the blessings. So please make our sons and our people, descendants, Tanaya, our descendants, happy. Mridaya means happy. Meedushtama Shivatama Shivona Sumana Bhava. Parame vriksha yudhan nidhaya kritim vasana achara pinakam vibradagahi. So, Meedushtama, you are the bestower of the blessings. And Shivatama, you are the most auspicious. You are the supremely auspicious being. So, please bestow upon that auspiciousness and put us in the right path. Bhava, and be the Shivo, and that auspiciousness that you are, you also make us that, and bear goodwill. Sumanasya, with a good manas, you look at us. And then Kritim vasana achara pinakam vibradagahi. So place your threatening and hurtful weapons, ayudhan. Ayudhan means hurting weapons, on some tall distant tree, parame vriksha, some big tree, put on that. Achara, achara means, approach us wearing your elephant like garment. So achara means approach us with krityam vasana, your garment, which is elephant skin, elephant hide garment. Come with you bearing your pinaka. Pinaka is the actual weapon that Lord Shiva holds, and bow. Please do not hurt us, but save us with that. Pinakam Bibrata. Vikirida Vilohita Namaste Astu Bhagavaham. So, O Lord Rudra, who is the bestower of wealth. Vikirida means bestower of wealth. Namaste, we actually prostrate in front of you. Bhagavaha, you are the God, you are the Lord. And Vilohitaha, who is not red in color, that is, you are white, or you are actually fair, fair in color, right? And Yaste Shastragum Heta Yonyam Asmanyapantutaha. So may your thousands or Sahasragum, thousands of Hetaya means weapons. Okay. May your thousands of weapons Nivapantu, destroy the Yonyam, others who are in the unrighteous path. And O Lord Rudra, Bahuotsava, your shoulders, your arms exist, thousands, Sahasradha. That means that it is not just you, O Lord Rudra. What does it mean to have Lord Rudra to have thousands of shoulders, right? So it actually means that everyone, they say that there are Ekadash Rudra and 1,000 Rudras, right? So whoever is on the path of righteousness and who actually praise Lord Rudra needs to be on the right path. And people, those who actually are very or siddhas or gurus who are very closely associated or being inspired by Lord Rudra, they also act on behalf of Lord Rudra. So your mighty arms, Bahu Utsava, and which are thousands in numbers, of kinds of weapons in thousands of numbers. Okay, so with all that, please protect us. Tasamishano Bhagavath Parachi Namukha Krithi. So Tasam Ishano. Okay, so you are the master. Tasam Ishano, and because Ishano means you are the Lord, you are the master, O Lord Rudra. Bhagavath, and because Bhagava means O Lord, please turn these weapons. Okay, Mukha Kridhi. Kridhi means these weapons from our faces. Mukha, our faces. Please move it away from us. That means move it away from us. Parachinna. Okay, away from us. Parachinna means away. Okay. So this is the ending of the 10th Anuvakam. So as a whole, in the 10th Anuvakam, we are requesting Lord Rudra to keep us in the right path, in the righteous path, and also not just help us, but help the people around us to be on the right path. How? By punishing us if required, if we are straying away from our path, but helping us to bring us back on the right path. And we are requesting Lord Rudra to not hurt us, but we are requesting him to actually control the people, those who are on the unrighteous path, by hurting them, right? So this is the overall meaning and how you should perceive the 10th Anuvakam of Namakam. So in the next episode, we will try to cover the 11th and 12th Anuvakam of Namakam. All right? Sai Ram. Thank you. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Sarvam Shri Ramachandrarpanamastu.